Mixed numbers and improper fractions. In today's lesson, we will be looking at mixed numbers and improper fractions. So in your maths assessments and GCSE papers, you need to be able to convert mixed numbers into improper fractions and vice versa. So when you see a fraction with a large number in front of it, this is a mixed number. So for example, 2 2/3. You have a large number there in front of a fraction. This is a mixed number. Okay, so this means that we have 2 2/3. Okay, so when we have a fraction where the number at the top now, so let's change this. So we do 5/3. Okay, the number at the top, which is a numerator, is bigger than the number at the bottom, which is known as the denominator. This is a top-heavy fraction, which is also known as an improper fraction. So top-heavy or improper, okay, because the number at the top is bigger than the number at the bottom. So let's have a look at converting. Okay, so let's have a look at improper fractions first, or top-heavy. 5/2. Now we need to write this as a mixed number. So in order to do this, we need to see how many 2's go into 5. So you need to know your tables here again. So how many 2's into 5? Well, it's 2 whole ones, isn't it? Because 2 times 2 is 4. How many left over? Which is 1/2. The denominator stays the same. Okay, so it's 2.5. Let's have a look at another one. 7/2. Again, we're going to keep the denominator the same. We'll just do over 2. How many 2's in 7? So 2, 4, 6. That's 3 whole ones. How many left over? 1/2. The denominator stays the same. Okay. How about 19/4? Okay. How many 4's go into 19? Well, 4, 8, 12, 16. It's 4 whole ones, isn't it? And how many left over? Well, how many more to get from 16 to 19? It's 3/4. Okay, there we are. Let's do another one. Let's do 27/5. Okay, how many 5's into 27? Well, it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That's 5 whole ones and 2 left over. And there we are. 2/5. Remember, the denominator stays the same. Right, let's have a look at mixed numbers now. So I'm going to have 4 2/5. I've got to change this into a top-heavy fraction. So to do this, you get your denominator and you times it by the big number. So 5 times 4 is 20. And then you add the little number at the top, which is the numerator on. So 5 times 4 times them. 5 times 4 is 20. And then that looks like a multiply, doesn't it? Let's just change that so it actually looks like an add. Okay, there we are. Add 2 is 22/5. Denominator stays the same. Have a look at another one. 3 5/10. Okay, so again, you times the denominator by the big number, and then you add the numerator on top. So 10 times 3 is 30. Add 5 is 35/10. Okay. Another example, 11 2/7. Okay. So again, get your denominator, multiply it by the big number, and then you add the numerator on. So 7 times 11 is 77. Add 2 is 79/7. Okay, and that's how you convert between mixed numbers and improper fractions. Thank you for watching.